Hey, what's up, guys? Today is June the 4th on a Wednesday. We are out here in Marietta, Georgia. This was one of two projects today. After here, we have to go to Alpharetta and do some countertop clean and polishing. I went out to Houston this morning. Thank you to the residents in the, what's the name of that country club? Grand Reunion, or yeah, I think Grand Reunion Country Club in Houston. I worked there many times, and actually some of my clients recommended me on their Facebook page. I went out and did a consultation this morning. She went with the screen and recoat with the UV cure for the 23rd of this month. This is also a job that we're doing in Marietta for Mrs. Cousins. They're moving in. She was actually recommended to me as well. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Marietta, Georgia, and these are the floors that we are doing. They had the floors upstairs sanded, but down here, she said, Courtney, we just want to get them screen and recoated, put down a satin finish. So you can see the floors had a really high gloss. They want to knock that gloss down and go with something that looks more natural. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I am going to be doing this area right here. It's about 1,000 square feet. This entryway over there, right there. This whole entire area right here, they're actually getting some kitchen remodeled. Got some granite countertops, which we're going to be cleaning later today. And this area right here, all right? And we're going to go with a satin finish. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, got the coating going down. All right, guys, here comes my client. Come on in, Miss Cousins.
Do I need to take
Yes,
off our
if you don't mind.
No, of course not. Okay.
It looks so.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to take off our shoes.
All right, guys, we just got back. Went and did another consult. Floors look amazing. Knocked all that high sheen off. Looks so good.
It looks fabulous.
Thank you.
What a difference.
What a difference.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
Now over there in the kitchen, someone tried to. Remember we talked about that before?
Yes.
Yeah, someone tried to stain that floor. I don't know why they did that.
Well, but I also think that maybe there was a conversation from the guy that thought this was hardwoods, that maybe this was urine.
And they tried to hide it. They tried to hide it.
Yeah.
So I will say this: I got two options. I have another guy that if it is an issue in the long term,
Yeah.
you put some rugs down, but
That's
if not,
what I plan to do.
because we're just right there in front of the fridge. But yeah, that's what they
Yeah.
did, because you could see some of the stain coming
Yes.
off.
Yeah.
Because I looked at it, I said this is the same wood, but then when we look close, yeah, they tried when they lived here
Yeah.
before you, they tried to stain it, and that's why they tried to cover those pet stains,
Exactly.
just like what the
Yeah.
other guy said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes, I'll be honest, that hardwoods to me, sometimes the wear and tear, it bothers some people. It never bothered me, but we lived in a historic home.
Oh,
And
yes,
so
yes,
the
yeah.
hardwoods, when they're
Yeah.
100 years plus,
Yep.
you know, they've got
Yep.
age on them.
Yep.
But it looks fantastic.
Yes, it does.
So tomorrow, our guys are going to come back in.
To do the touch up?
No, well, to do touch up.
Yep.
The new countertop goes on.
Okay.
But
Oh, so this is the old countertop. So
Yeah.
that's coming off.
All that's coming
Oh,
off.
okay. Well, let me show you what I did for you.
Okay.
I didn't know if this was leaving or staying, so you can look at this part. And that's why I had the tape here.
Oh.
I actually conditioned this for you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I should have mentioned.
No, you're fine.
This is the old stuff.
Okay.
The new stuff will come in.
Yep.
And but I just want to make sure. Should I tell them to take off their shoes?
Yes, tell them to take off their shoes for at least 2 days. Let it go through a cure. You didn't do the instant cure, so let it go through the curing process.
Okay, perfect.
And they can put down tarps if they're going to do any touch-up painting,
I'll let
but
them know.
no tape on the floor. Do
No
not.
tape on the
Yeah,
floor.
do not put
Okay.
tape on the floor.
Okay.
All right.
Sure, no tape.
Yep.
Shoes off, tarps to make sure nothing.
All right, guys, another happy client. That's going to do it. So what we're about to do now is head to Alpharetta and do a countertop reconditioning for a repeat client who's moving out of a house. And but yeah, guys, you know, you really got to be careful when you move it. When you move into homes. Yep. Whoever lived here before her, they tried to stain this floor, and I think the reason why they was trying to hide stains.
She said she might do this one because this is staying.
That's gonna stay? Okay, yeah, we can do that for. Okay, great. So yeah, so if you want to, once everything is done,
Yes.
call me back and I can get you on the schedule for this one.
That one and in the bathroom.
In the
as
bathroom?
well.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure in our bedroom,
Matt,
bedroom.
can I go take a look?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, great. All right, so we got some granite here. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do that back slab. All right, let's go take a look upstairs, guys. All right, guys. So let me give her a quote on all her countertops. All righty. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. This is actually, yep.